Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope for best of your health and iman. Today's topic is bacteria, gram positive and gram negative bacteria. And first of all, Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about gram negative bacteria and gram positive bacteria. These are the two strains and the two types of the bacterial cells, which they have some differences in case of their cell walls. So the basis of the differences in between two strains is the cell wall characteristics. So they have the cell wall, some unique characteristics of the cell wall which is present in the gram positive bacteria, which is not present in gram negative bacteria. So in this case they have some characteristics which differ with each other on the basis of their cell wall characteristics. Okay, first of all, they can be stained with the gram stain, which is a gram positive bacteria, and gram negative bacteria do not stain with gram stain. So gram stain is a solution which we use to stain the cell wall of the bacteria. So the gram positive bacteria, what do? Gram positive bacteria, they stain out and they comes like they retain the stain, and in this way they call its name like gram positive. And the gram negative bacteria, they do not retain the stain, do not show any color and no staining. So in this way they call this the gram negative bacteria. And then some characteristics about the wall. So the gram positive bacteria, they have the thicker wall, and gram negative bacteria have the thinner wall as compared to the gram positive bacteria. So thinner or thicker means some layers, addition or subtraction of some layers in the cell wall of the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So in this case the gram negative bacteria is had thinner cell walls, and gram positive bacteria have thicker cell wall as compared to negative ones. The third characteristics which is present in both cells, which is they have both positive as well as negative, have the characteristic which is that the wall has soluble, insoluble, porous network formed of this compound which is peptidoglycan. So it is known as murine. So they both gram positive as well as gram negative bacteria, they have the wall characteristics which is peptidoglycan, a insoluble porous network which is a form of the peptidoglycan organic compounds, and it is known as murine. So the murine is present in both of the cells, and it is a sac like structure, sac like molecule, macromolecule having a parallel polysaccharide chains, and parallel polysaccharide chains are cross-linked with the short peptide chains. So it is a network murine which produces a full network which is like a sac-like macromolecule have parallel polysaccharide, and the polysaccharide chains are cross-linked with the short peptide chains. So in this form they form the network. So this is present in both cells. Now comes the differentiation. We have discussed two differentiation, which is about the stain and the cell wall thickness. And now the third one, which after that because they have the similarity that they have the murine. Now comes the differences, how it is differentiated between both cells. So much greater peptidoglycans. Gram positive bacteria have a large amount of peptidoglycan as compared to gram negative bacteria. They do not have as much peptidoglycan, they have less peptidoglycans. And number 6 is no coating outside the membrane. So gram positive bacteria do not have a outside coating around the murine layer, but gram negative bacteria have outside coating around the murine layer, and which is is a soft smooth coating of the lipid layer. So this is a soft smooth coating of the lipid layer which protect it against the antibiotic enzymes which are lysozymes. So in this way the gram positive and gram negative bacteria differentiate between with each other, and they have some differences and similarities. So they have the cell wall characteristics which differentiate with each other. It was all about gram negative and gram positive bacteria. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for coming on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.